UserLand or Termux, you can use your Android phone and turn it into a large language model user. So I'm using tinyllama. Tell me, and I'm going to ask it a question. Tell me about tell me about France. And its relation to the Roman Empire. Okay. It seems to have a little bit of an issue without mentioning is_a. I don't know what that's about, but this took 15 minutes to install and do. So I'll put up, I think I should be able to have some instructions for you to see now in a second. But this is a large language model with 1.1 billion parameters trained on 3 trillion tokens running off of my handheld device, not connected to the internet or anything else. It is capable, and I'm thinking about fine-tuning it later on today so it can do certain actions for me. And I would like to say that this is available now. So why don't we see it more professionally done by Apple and Google? Well, I guess Apple's brought out Ferret. Let's hope that this doesn't embarrass me. tinyllama, by the way, is very fast on the computer. Sure, France has been an important player in the Roman Empire since the time of the Roman. So, as you can see, it works. No internet, just recording, or working from my phone. And I'm sure I could even upscale the models, but this is great. I will probably connect this to an Android app on my phone, and then I technically have my own large language model connected app running completely from my phone, and I'll do that later on today. I just saw the R1 Rabbit phone, I guess, that's coming out in Easter, and it just annoyed me that Google and Apple and Microsoft hadn't really been pushing this technology. So I thought, hey, why don't I just try and make my own? I don't want to wait until Easter. And it took maybe 20 minutes to do. Now, this is a lot of information for a tiny little model. I hope you liked my demo.